Children, how many of you have done it?
Ma'am, I am my 2 questions is left of my answers.
What do you have to do?
Okay, let me share the screen again. All right, you can continue the work.
Man, this is our GK period.
No, beta, we're doing SST work.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answers?
Have you all finished it? All of you have done it? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Anybody? No. Still see children are doing no. So let them finish and then
No,
we'll
no.
discuss.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Very nice. Very good, beta.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, that you have seen in the diagram that the project that I have given to you, the diagram only that will come. So, ma'am, we have done flags also. So, ma'am, they will also come.
No, beta, no. Flags will not come.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
How many are still doing? How many of you are still doing? Please let me know.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, Pratishta is doing. How much time do you need,
Ma'am.
Pratishta?
Ma'am, I am on the third question, ma'am. Second, ma'am, question 3, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on the second last question, ma'am, of it.
Okay, very nice. Do it.
Ma'am, when we will start discussing? Ma'am, I am doing. Please wait.
Okay, children, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's start with the match the following. The first question, methane. What is methane?
Garbage.
Okay, methane matches to garbage, but I want to know what is methane?
Gas.
Yes, very nice. It's a gas. Good. It's a gas that comes out or evokes from garbage. Then carbon dioxide. How is carbon dioxide? When we burn garbage, a lot of carbon dioxide is produced. Then Saraswati Puja belongs to which state?
Bengal. Bangalore.
Bengal, not Bangalore. Saraswati Puja matches to Bengal. Then Bokaro. What place is Bokaro? Bokaro is known for steel production.
Steel production.
Then Ranchi.
Capital of Jharkhand.
Very good.
Capital of Jharkhand.
Now name them. Name a distributary of River Ganga.
Hooghly and Yamuna.
Beta, Hooghly is the correct answer. Yamuna is not correct. Yes. Hooghly is a distributary of River Ganga.
Yes, my voice is coming.
Yes?
My voice is coming.
Yes, it's coming.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Sun is the right answer.
Hooghly is the right answer. Hooghly. We are not talking about the tributaries of River Ganga. We are just talking about a distributary. Now you need to know that there is a difference between tributary and distributary. Okay? So
Yes,
Hooghly is the distributary of River Ganga. Then the rainiest place in the world. Which is that? Looks like my signals are gone. Can you hear me, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, I got disconnected. Okay, now, the next was, what is the next question?
the rainiest place in the world.
Yes.
The rainiest place in the world.
Which is that?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Mohsin Ram. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what is the next question?
Classical
dances. Okay, wait. Everybody wait.
Ma'am, Kathakali.
Now everybody is mute, no? Now you cannot unmute yourself. This is how I'm going to take the class. Very nice. Nobody will be able to speak. Name 2 classical dances of India. Now, one by one, you're going to name any 2 classical dances. Pratishta Singh from class 4th A. I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, Kathak and Bharatnatyam.
Very nice. Very good. Iram, tell us any 2 dances.
Ma'am, Kathakali and Kuchipudi.
Very nice. Anshuman?
Ma'am, Manipuri and Kuchipudi.
Okay. Garv Agarwal, can you name any two classical dances of India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better tell.
Ma'am, Kathakali and Bharatnatyam.
Okay. Anybody else knows any other dance?
Ma'am, Odissi.
Any other dance form?
Ma'am, I know Odissi.
And apart from Odissi, very good. Odissi is one dance. Odissi. Odissi is a dance. Utsav, what about
Yes,
you? What
ma'am.
were you doing?
Ma'am, Bharatnatyam, Odissi.
Bharatnatyam is done. Odissi is also done. Okay. Jayesh. Jayesh, can you tell us? Anshuman is raising his hand. Yes, Anshuman, beta.
And Satriya.
Satriya. Very good. Satriya is a classical dance form. Of which place?
Ma'am, Assam.
Very nice. Okay. Then Dev is willing to speak something. Yes, Dev.
Ma'am, now two dance of India are Ma'am Kuchipudi,
Ma'am, Bihu
Ma'am
also.
Kuchipudi and Ma'am Chiru dance.
All right. So we have so many dance forms.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one is also Bihu.
Yes, Bihu is also there. Then we have Goria also. Goria. Goria belongs to which state? Tell me. You can type in the chat box. Goria dance form is practiced in which state? And where is Chiro dance practiced? Chiro. You people are still not confirmed. Everybody open your books and check it in your book. Goria comes from the state of Tripura. Everybody just check. Open your books and see if I'm right or not. And what about the Chiro dance? Yes, Chiro comes from Mizoram and Goria is from Tripura. What about Bhangra? Bhangra is from which state? Punjab. Very nice. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the next question? Jayesh will read out the next question. Jayesh, just read out, beta.
The staple food of central areas.
Central areas or coastal areas?
Ma'am, coastal areas.
Yes. What is the staple food of coastal areas, Jayesh? What do the people of coastal areas eat?
Ma'am, rice.
Rice. Very nice. It is rice that they eat. Then, what is the next question, Saif? Saif Ali, what is the next question? Saif is not reading out. Okay, let me have then Garv Agarwal. You can unmute, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one recyclable waste.
Okay, tell any one recyclable waste. What is that? Who will tell one recyclable waste? Summer. Summer, can you tell? Very nice. Children, you can even type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Paper is there. Yes.
Ma'am, I have written kettles.
Kettles. What is kettles?
Yes. Ma'am, can I write the spelling?
Yes, write it. kettles. No, batteries. Batteries. Who thinks, how many of you say batteries is a recyclable waste? Is it a recyclable waste? No, it is not a recyclable waste. Bottles, cans, paper, plastic, these all are recyclable wastes. Okay, then what is the next question? Yes, Anshuman, read.
Okay, ma'am. What are the 5 ways in which waste can be managed? Ma'am,
Okay.
can I tell the answer?
Yes, name all those 5 ways.
Okay, ma'am. 5 ways in which waste can be managed are burning, landfill, composting, recycling, reusing.
Very nice. Everybody has written this answer? Noel
Yes,
Sahai.
ma'am.
Noel, are you there?
Yes,
Noel?
ma'am.
Okay. Name the 5 ways in which you can manage waste.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the 5 ways to manage waste are burning, composting, recycling,
Class.
landfills, reusing.
Okay, very nice. Wonderful. Then what is the next question?
I'm writing ways in which you can conserve.
Iram, read out the next question.
Ma'am, the next question is write any 2 ways in which we can conserve our environment.
Okay, tell those 2 ways.
Ma'am, the 2 ways are to conserve our environment are first, we should not throw waste here and there. Second, we should plant more and more trees.
Very nice. Anybody
Can I
else?
tell?
Yes, Shriyansh Patel, tell.
And can I tell?
Yes, Shriyansh Patel. Was it Shriyansh Patel who asked?
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Anshuman, why can I see only repeated students? There are so many students in the class. What are you here for, children? Just to show your name on the screen that you were there? Advika Gupta, 4th A. Come on, tell me the answer. The 2 ways in which you can conserve environment.
Okay, ma'am. Planting more trees
Very nice.
planting more trees and do not waste the water.
All right. By saving water and by planting more trees. Okay, let's call it saving water. Then Anshuman. Anshuman, you want to tell any other thing by which you can conserve environment? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, 2 ways in which you can conserve our environment are use crockery at home.
Yes.
That can be washed.
Yes.
And plant more trees and save water.
Very nice. Very good. So these are the following ways in which you can conserve environment. What is the next question?
And what are landfills?
What are landfills? Now I want anybody else to answer this. Jayesh, Iram, Anshuman will not answer. Dev will not answer. Apurva, what are landfills, beta?
Ma'am, landfills are the sites where garbage rubbish is dumped or thrown.
Apurva, what is the answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell me of the chapter we are doing revision because I am selected?
Beta, we are doing the revision of whole syllabus.
Landfills are a place where waste is taken.
Where waste is?
Ma'am, where waste is thrown.
Thrown. Okay. Anshuman, what is it?
Then the waste that can be taken to a place where it can be sorted, it cannot be sorted or deposited.
No. Anybody else? Iram,
Can I?
what is your answer?
Landfills are the place where garbage is thrown or dumped. Landfills are also called dumping ground or garbage dump.
Yes, that's the correct answer, Anshuman. Beta, we did it in class. Have you not done it? Iram, read out the answer once again.
Okay, ma'am. Landfills are the place where garbage is thrown or dumped. Landfills are also called dumping ground or garbage dump.
Okay, now do one thing, Iram. Type this answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay, landfills are whatever the answer is. And those who have not written this answer, please see in your class group and write this answer from there. Clear to all of you? Hurry up and do it, Iram.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am typing.